Max 60W PD charging. UGREEN USB C Cable 3. One fast charger offers faster and safer charging for USB Type-C laptops or cell phones at max 20 volts 3A. It supports 60W power delivery charge, also known as PD charging protocol. Note: this is USB-C to USB-C cable instead of USB-A cable. 5 gigabits per second fast data transfer. UGREEN USB C cable complies with USB 3.1 Gen 1 standard and provide high-speed syncing at max 5 gigabits per second, 10 times faster than USB 2.0 Type-C cable. 4K video output. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3. This USB-C to USB-C cable allows you to connect MacBook to a second monitor or display at 4K video output at max 3840 by 2160 at 60Hz. Note: the video function only works for devices with USB-C ports that support DP Alt mode. Enhanced durability. Nylon braided exterior makes this power cable strong and tangle-free. High-quality aluminum alloy case on both connectors with molded strain relief ensures its reliable performance and longer bend lifespan. What you get: 1X UGREEN USB-C to USB-C cable with professional customer support. Broad compatibility. This USB-C cable is compatible with Google Pixel 4 XL, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 3a, Nexus 6P5X, Apple iPad Pro 2020-2018, Samsung Galaxy S20, S10, S10 Plus, S9 Plus, S8 Plus, Note 1098, Nintendo Switch, LG G7, Think G5, G6, V20, V30, V40, V50, Microsoft Lumia 950. It's also compatible for MacBook 12, MacBook Pro 13, MacBook Air 13 inches 2020, 2019-2018, Huawei MateBook X Pro, Google Chromebook Pixel, Dell XPS 13, Yoga 900720, Razer Blade Stealth 2018. Top reviews from the United States. Works awesome. Love UGREEN. They seem to last.